Hello, good morning mga KaYo. We are going camping with our friends, family friend namo. They invited us to join with them on a three-day weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And shout out to Junjun, Ems, Ellie, and
Andy.
Andy. Thank you for letting us join you guys in camping in Santa Cruz, KOA
Campgrounds of America.
Campgrounds of America. Thank you guys. This family of ours are very good to us and our dearest friends. And
Yes.
shout out
Thank you.
sa inyong mga kaayo ko namo o pag-imbita ka namo.
Kalaw
And
ba?
all events that you have, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And this is our day one. Friday morning, we're going
Actually, noon naman.
noon. We're traveling, going to
South.
south. Santa Cruz, California is known for
Surfing.
surfing,
Naapod
Fishing.
ka ng mga Ferris wheel. Boardwalk.
fishing, and amusement park, the boardwalk. So samahan niyo kami mga KaYo. It's good to see you, and we're gonna be having fun for 3 days.
We're going camping and fishing.
Camping and fishing away from work.
Yes, thank you, Lord.
Recharge, stress-free, and
Fully stress-free. Kaya
and-
wapay traffic. So we're leaving early kaya
Yeah.
para di may traffic hopefully. But that's
Okay, thank you mga KaYo. Thank you for coming back and watching us again. Shout out to you guys.
it. Bye. Southbound 101 going to Santa Cruz Wharf. We're going to 85 South. Sa dako kay.
Take ramp on right to California 85 South.
California 85 South toward Cupertino, Santa Cruz. Use the right two lanes to take exit 398B. Continue for 13 miles.
Santa Cruz, 29 minutes. Oh yeah,
Not too
no
bad.
traffic, no traffic.
Pero hapon-hapon tani.
Traffic.
Traffic pa more.
We're passing by San Jose. San Jose is the heart of the Silicon Valley, right?
Yeah.
In 0.9 miles, take ramp on right to California 17, then keep right.
Use the right lane to take exit 11A for California 17 South toward Santa Cruz.
This lane, 2 lanes.
Take ramp on right to California 17, then keep right.
Yeah, Santa Cruz.
Use the right lane to take exit 11A, then use the right lane to take the California 17 South ramp.
Keep right onto California 17 South.
Use the right lane to take the California 17 South ramp, then merge onto California 17 South.
That's kind of tricky.
No, 17 South is we're going to the Redwoods.
Going to the redwoods, passing through the redwoods to
Passing
go to
through
the
the wood.
coast.
Yeah, that mountain over there.
We have to go over that mountain.
Over that mountain there.
Is traffic already?
We're going to cross that mountain, and it's gonna be like 8 miles
Of winding.
winding road.
Continue for 20 4 miles.
Winding road. Like a snake.
Yeah, like a bacon. Pakita niya diri sa.
I think
Okay.
a couple
Continue
miles.
21 miles on California 17 South.
Ano naman, nagsugod na. Sugod na ang kinda beginning of the winding road. Pakapin na ay dear pa jud mo tabok. Winding it siya. Katong imong nakita na ko ang love nga vlog nga iyang wife na lipong. Dito siya malipong kung siya nag-drive.
I think so.
Pero nga nang di siya mo drive kay paspas kayong cars.
Yeah.
Nga nang mahurot na imo ang storage no kay wa man ka nag-cloud ako kay sige na kog bayad.
How much is the cloud?
Kuan, I think na ako sa 399.
$3.99 per month?
Barato mong kayo no? You start with 99, 10 gigs
So,
yata.
10 gigs.
99
$3.99 for how many gigs?
I think 50.
50 gigs.
I will check pila na niya ako. Should just do it. So good na sa winding road. I did ay so good. Continuation ay super winding na jud. Kaman na ko klaro tara.
In the Philippines, they call it bituka.
There's such a thing?
Yeah, bituka like the winding road, bituka road.
I'm waiting for ka na makakita sa GPS. There you go. See that?
Ang bukana ng Santa Cruz. Yes! I can smell the
You can smell.
ocean! I miss Lapu-Lapu!
We'll be there soon.
This is
Masarap
one of the
to.
favorite places we go to, huh?
Yeah.
Santa Cruz.
Kay ang usapod kay nice siya no kay coastal anya na parking, na food.
Mhm.
Dool ra, dili siya layo jud siya nga you have to spend the day driving.
Yeah.
Di man mi ganahan mo drive og gabi so ang mahitabo kuan
Yeah.
ang the day is
Welcome to Santa Cruz!
There you go. The GPS took us somewhere, but I think we're going to get there.
At the traffic circle, continue straight onto Municipal Wharf.
Until na mo park talaga pa. Oh yes, Santa Cruz Wharf!
Not the usual route, but
Yeah,
we made it.
it took us a little longer when there was a couple of stops.
It took GPS took us to kuan took us to the historic route.
Yeah, we went to the downtown.
Kay instead manggod nagpapil-papil mi, we just relied on the kuan. Oops. Tapos musud ka.
So we're
Ikaw na
here.
dahil kay stop sila no.
Mhm.
Hi!
Oh. So this is it. We're gonna get our ticket. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Thank you. So we're here in Santa Cruz Wharf. You can drive through there
Arriving at Santa Cruz
Wharf.
Wharf, on right.
and fresh air, oceans.
I think daghag isda.
And
Look
we
at
can,
the
we can
birds.
fish. Then we
They,
can
they
park.
bike next to you, huh? Oh.
Yeah, no. We can park.
Problema na by parking.
I hope so.
We'll just
No,
go
it,
around.
it has
and,
to. It doesn't say there na full parking.
Oh, lifeguard headquarters. They do. Okay, picture niya kung lifeguard.
Then you can rent a boat, and then you can fish in the ocean. But you know,
Someone's getting seasick.
there's the boat that you can rent. Those boats. And there's restaurant. Well, we'll have
Restaurant.
seafood.
I don't like the. I'm from Cebu, so their seafood is nothing
Yeah.
compared to.
We want the bakasi.
I don't like bokashi. I like crabs and nokos. They can magmuli ron kay lunch man na sila lunch.
In 600 feet, make a U-turn.
Naray. That's one parking.
There's a lot of parking there.
That's parking. Ato tas ka ng
Yeah.
taras likod. Okay.
Mhm. We can park backwards.
Pwede na mga gid ya? Di pa.
We can turn here.
Ay, nagbike. Duol kita sa espresso.
Mhm.
Nasi bata. Madara, would you like to take that one?
Head northeast toward Municipal Wharf.
There, oh.
Asa? Okay.
The one that we used to park. Yeah, I like it there.
In
Nag-isi
500
man
feet,
sa dodong,
turn
they
right
can
onto
see
Municipal Wharf.
Probably that after that gray or blue thing. So we just got here at Santa Cruz Wharf, California. So a lot of cars, a lot of people are traveling. So in front of us is all the restaurants and souvenir shops. We got Vino by the Sea, Olitas, Cantina and Grill, Mackay, Nolan's, and this is us parking. Hi, bossing. So, yeah, that are fishing. So in front of us is the boardwalk.
You asked me already. I said forward.
That's the boardwalk, Santa Cruz Boardwalk Amusement Park. A lot are fishing. See, that's boating over there, and a lot are fishing. So you can see, there's a lot of bait fish over there. We're hoping for mackerel in maybe sunset. So I'm gonna set up our. There's a lot of bait fish. I'm just gonna set up our umbrella and chairs over here, and then we're gonna have our lunch because it's 12 noon already. Hi mga KaYo, we're fishing now, and yung sa likod namin is the boardwalk.
Look at my sabi.
Yeah, where I show it. We're using sabiki.
Sa big rig.
Yeah, we're getting bait fish for the big fish.
Actually, I like to eat bait
Yeah.
fish.
We can get anchovies, hopefully mackerel or what the other one?
Kadaog banig makarel ning akong
I know. So this is my setup,
this is tiny.
my fishing pole. I got a pen, and this is our setup. So we got our
May picture
chair.
lang for nilang Junjun.
Yeah, we got our chair and then umbrella. It's good. We're good to go.
No bait for me.
Yeah, we're gonna eat lunch first and just cast our line, and then we're gonna eat.
You gotta put bait.
Good place to unwind and relax. Yeah.
A video? Video na naman.
Enjoying our lunch.
Expensive though.
That is fine. Hello mga KaYo. Here in Santa Cruz Boardwalk, we're having calamari and french fries and a good day.
And lemonade there.
Lemonade, coffee.
Yan ah.
Hello love. The fish are here.
Ikon ka, i-video ko ha.
Yeah.
I only have one.
We're fishing bait fish.
No, we're fishing for the Yeah, there you go. You go on.
I love you got fish already. Reel it. There.
I got
That's-
4.
That's what we came for.
I can't do this.
Yeah. There you go.
I've got it.
Okay.
Drop it.
On a roll. On a roll. Woot woot. Yeah. Sabiki rig for mackerel and anchovies.
O kana dako ako tiny eh. I can't. Nagkaduol na. Okay. I'm not seeing. Okay.
Go.
What?
Fish on.
Sorry, my hands are dirty. Go. Not really that far.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator making